Playing Brother is. This is a good song to play at Hilton. Hopefully I don't get copyright from it though. That's the fire exit though. We're in Grand Waikikian right now. Look at this fountain. Check this out. I really love this fountain, guys. But yeah, we're gonna go ride the elevators. There's the parking elevators right there. Grand Waikikian. Hawaii skyline and elevators is right in front of me right now. I really love this lobby, and the song that's playing in the background right now is really good.
Village. Always indicators. This is actually pretty rare for a Schindler elevator configuration.
True.
Yeah.
Which one do you think it is? I'm thinking
it's probably going to be that one right.
Oh, got it. Right
here. That one is coming down, but we're getting this one. We can try to get all 4 of them if we want to.
We can try. They're not busy.
This is beautiful.
They're playing Brother His right now.
Nice.
Ooh, you want to race?
Yes.
Let's race.
Let's do it. Perfect. All right, 39.
39. All right. Come on, let's go. Oh, please, please, please. Oh, he might beat me. But yeah, this is Grand Waikikian. This reminds me of the Marriott a little bit. Ah! I beat him. Let me ring the bell. Guess who? Alright, let's get on your elevator actually. I'm gonna get my cab V.
You can do that. You sure about that? It's unlocked. Anyways.
Oh, this one's the nicest out of all.
Yeah, this one's wonderful. Yes, I do like these canopies as well.
Grand Waikikian is the one. If you're staying at Hilton Hawaiian Village, you guys should stay at Grand Waikikian.
Yes, that is correct.
But all the towers are good.
This is beautiful, yeah.
Grand Waikikian is beautiful. This reminds me of the Marriott in Colina a little bit.
True, actually.
Yeah.
Dude, this one's a little slower.
How did I beat you?
This one's a little slower, that's why.
Ah.
We're gonna do a little comparison. We'll try to get the one across, and I'll show you what I mean. Because this one is kind of slow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is tall. 39 floors. This is 39 floors. This is as tall as the freaking Hyatt Regency.
That's correct.
Or on 2.
Yep. Okay. This it's also the lobby level.
Let's send this up.
Yeah. We'll try to get another one. At 39.
Yeah. I really like these innovation buttons.
Same. These are like the Kauai Beach Resort elevators.
True.
Yeah.
And they're kind of like the Marriott a little bit.
Exactly. This is just like the other one.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna transfer from the 39th floor then.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys the ceiling, but yeah, I have to crouch down. Show you guys the ceiling.
Yeah.
I just did that for the heck of it.
Yep.
This is really cool. I'm surprised these ones are not that fast.
Oh yeah.
The one I was riding was pretty fast.
True. This has a different voice.
Okay, we'll send this one down.
Yep. 2. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Okay. I like this indicator. Okay, we'll go on the intermediate floor.
Alright, we can do that.
Has the typical Schindler indicator.
Yep.
Oh, we got yours again.
Oh my.
Should we send it down?
Yeah, send it down.
Send it down. We're trying to get this
one. Look at the intermediate call station?
Oh yeah, true.
Okay, we'll go 20.
Yeah. Random. Just hit random.
32.
32.
Yep. Sure.
These are really nice. I really like these elevators.
Agreed.
His tower's not that old too, I think.
It's new, yeah.
Floor 32.
I think Schindler has like 2 different voices, 3 different voices. I'm not too sure.
There they are. Oh, here's the button. Let's get a good picture of that.
Sure. Oh, the light went on. Is that okay?
That's all good.
Okay, cool.
Let's hit both of them actually.
Yeah.
All right, let's go take a look at the hallway.
Yeah, might as well, if we can. Yeah, this is what the hotel. Okay, yeah, this is what the hallways look like.
Yeah.
Of course. And there's music playing. You can kind of hear it.
Yeah. They're playing the Brother Is song in the lobby.
Yeah.
It really suits this place. Oh, we got it. Yes.
Alright, here we go. And this has a fan as well. So no, I think this one's a little faster. Look at that. That's popped open, which I'm going to open all the way.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Floor 39.
Uh-oh. The buttons.
Oh no, they're getting beat up.
Yeah, oh no.
I don't know. I think I could be wrong. Maybe all of them are the same.
Yeah, maybe.
It's like the Kauai Beach Resort where it goes faster, where the indicators they act faster too.
Yeah, how the heck did I beat you though?
Question.
You didn't stop on the way, right?
Yeah. No.
That's weird. Oh, look, the doors have screws on it. I just noticed that.
Oh yeah, same. I just noticed that too.
Here, let me show you guys. That's really cool.
Agree.
We'll get one last cab view. This is elevator car 3.
3. Yup, car number 3.
Yeah. These things are pretty fast.
These are, yeah. That's what I like about these.
Floor 2.
Maybe we can get, or did we already get the other one?
We already did.
Okay.
Alright, I think I am good.
Yep, all good. Okay. Well.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all can do. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Look at this lobby. Oh, yeah, this is a really good lobby. I really love this lobby. I'll show you guys around a little bit more before we go. Well, ride the parking elevators.
Yeah.
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 We'll take the.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm still rolling. I just like this lobby. Yeah. We're gonna go get one more picture of the fountain. Oh. Yeah, give me a minute. Taking pictures of the fountain. Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Okay.
I don't want to nudge it.
Uh-oh, the phone is on. Why is that?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You want to go up to 5?
Sure. Nope, it doesn't do it.
Oh, it doesn't chime?
No, not when you push it.
That's weird.
Yeah, agreed.
Scared cat food, no.
Yeah, might as well.
It's just like the main one.
Yeah, except it's the same complete mural.
Yeah.
That's the only thing, yeah. Ceiling's the same thing.
Alright, we'll send this one.
Oh, it's one down.
Oh, this is parking, yeah.
Yep, it's the parking lot one.
I was gonna say we can switch. I guess we'll switch on lobby then.
Yeah, let's do that. Why is the phone on?
That's weird.
That is weird.
Oh,
And yeah, we're stopping. Alright, be right back.
What the? It's not lighting up. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's white.
Yep. I'm gonna start that again.
Yeah. We're gonna try to get this one next.
Yeah. If it's the other one again, then I don't know.
Yeah, maybe this one's not running, I think. Yeah, it's not running then. You think it's not running?
Probably not. We can always check the first floor.
Yeah, check the first floor. Here, you wanna come on?
Sure, we can.
Yeah, we'll go to the 1.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I can't press it. What the hell?
This is going up.
Oh, yeah. That's weird. Yeah, these things
Try again.
They're a little bit glitchy.
Yeah. Oh my, what is going on? There we go.
A little bit glitchy.
Yeah. These used to talk back then, not anymore. Yeah. Well, it's not 2. What on earth? Yeah, we're trying to get this one.
That might be out of service, I'll tell you that.
Oh, yeah.
It's probably out then.
It is.
Yeah, it's probably not
Oh,
going on.
no. All right, well, that'll be it for this video.
Yeah, that's it.